Ideas are the main part of optimization. Ideas are given based on seven factors. They are strategy, search features, content, semantic, backlinks, technical issues, and user experience. And in this video, we are going to see about strategy idea. Strategy idea helps to find which page is best for a keyword comparing to other pages. Okay, let me see an example. Now I am going to sort only the strategy ideas. Click the drop down and choose strategy. In this landing page we have 6 keywords which is bringing traffic to this page. Okay, now let me see what is the strategy idea given here for this landing page. Click the idea button. Here we have to click view keywords and higher ranking pages. In this current page the keyword merchandise is ranking position 100 plus, but another page is ranking 35 for the keyword merchandise. Let me copy this and check it. This page has 3 keywords and these 3 keywords are bringing traffic to this page, but Semrush suggesting merchandise keyword will be suitable for this page and it will also reach well. It's just an idea. Okay, now I am going to reassign the keyword. Here it is analyzing pages. Okay, let me check the keywords. The merchandise keyword was added to this landing page. Okay, and in this page the keyword merchandise was removed and it was assigned to that landing page shop.txt. Okay, this was done in Semrush and we have to optimize the page for this keyword.